Alright, just woke up and we have to go quick because I think my friend is here. And
that's what you call launch control. Alright, so this is right here, BMW 2010 328i. This thing has inline 6, produces 240 horsepower. Quotation marks for that because the Germans are sneaky little bastards. So far, the modifications I have made to it have been wheels, new grills, mostly appearance type of things, cosmetic. They have been nothing too big, so plan on getting a new 150 and hopefully intake. Just look at me. Engine sounds good. This here is versatility suspension. And voila, just like that, we're home. Okay, so this here is my BMW. I paid half for it, and my parents paid the other half. As you can see, I've done little minor details to it, such as changed the roundel color, changed the grille, put a good old tow cable on. I've changed the rims, put new side lights, put a couple sticker here and there. One thing I'm proud of the most is, for it being a mid-size sedan, it has pretty good trunk space. Now look at this. Oh shit. Don't get that out of my face! Going back to what I was going on, it's a pretty big trunk space. Alright, getting back to it. Otherwise, I've done nothing really to it. I've put some carbon fiber here and there, you know, making it look all nice and pretty. I've changed the speakers. Oh, and the kicker is, got some underlights. And that right there is the 2010 BMW 328i. That's a wrap, Jimmy. Open it! Hey, dude. Now it's everything's perfectly fine. This is a high-end vehicle. I assure you, there are no security flaws with this. As you can see, the thing, it works perfectly fine. Just kind of.
how people die.
Yeah, we don't know if there's a hobo in here, so.
Water.
Oh, something fell on me. So we're gonna stop right by here because any farther it gets into Spider Valley. So.
Oh, nope, not about to.
Yep, we ain't about to do that. So.
You can see something down there on the camera, but I don't see it.
Oh yeah, I've been all the way down there. Spook. We'll have to do this some other day.
Yeah, nope. Back to the light.
Okay. Take a picture and last longer or video. Pretty interesting place. I'd like to put my car down here.
Car wouldn't fit down there though.
Yeah, we're still alive. Yeah, it's a spooky place. We'll be back later, more prepared. Stay tuned.
Which one of you is gay?
He is.
Hey, Joseph, is that you?
Hell yeah.
Hey, I work with you, bro.
Fuck yeah, dude.
What's up, dude?
Doing good. Just checking out the old devil tunnel, you know?
Yeah, there's a bunch of, like, satanic shit written on the wall.
Yeah, it's I didn't like that, but you know, it's all good, you know? It's got
It's all good. Yeah, the police don't know about the dead guy yet. It's literally, like, 5 miles in there. I got scared and ran out, but they stayed and, like, messed with him.
nice.
Yeah. He's got a fucking gray beard, and they put Cheerios in it. I think we have a picture of it somewhere, like a Polaroid. I like to masturbate to it.
Me too, dude. Hell yeah, see you later. Welcome to Vietnam, motherfucker.